Back at home, IBM stock is moving lower today after the company announced President Jim Whitehurst will step down. Less than 2 years after he joined through the Red Hat acquisition, John Fort spoke with IBM CEO, which shares John are down 4.5%.
Yeah, and they actually moved lower after we had our report this morning that this had been announced. I was able to get on the phone with Arvind Krishna, the CEO, and get some context here. It certainly clarified the way I think about it. Now, Jim Whitehurst has, in a sense, been in this position for 3 years, and you know how these contract things work when somebody comes on board. In that period of time, Arvind was named CEO. He's since been named chairman and has been putting leadership in place. Now, Whitehurst, a very well-regarded executive. He could be a CEO a lot of places. He has options on what he wants to do. And Arvind told me there are things that Jim wants to do, but he is going to spend a year now as an advisor. Said that Jim's been incredibly gracious and effective over the past 3 years, and said that he would have been glad for Jim Whitehurst to stay as well. Now, this is important where Red Hat is concerned. Some people might worry, here's a guy who came in with the Red Hat acquisition. Does this mean that something is afoot with Red Hat? Well, Arvind told me that Paul Cormier, who's been running Red Hat as CEO, he's a 20-year veteran of that company, now part of IBM, he is staying. He's not going anywhere, and the work within IBM with Red Hat continues to go on apace. And then with the other executive changes, I asked him to describe what he was going for there. And he talked about how this group is execution-focused, operationally intense, and technologically led in go-to-market, in that sales motion. Sometimes you don't always have somebody who's an engineer who's technologically minded in a sales role. But if you look at Rob Thomas, who now is in that head go-to-market role, very much somebody who's been leading technology organizations. So that is IBM's perspective.
Explanation, yes.
Yeah, of what has happened with these changes here.
The shares are a little bit off the lows as you describe this. The company is splitting up soon, isn't it?
Yes. It is into, I'm forgetting right now the name that they chose. It's a very unique name. Yeah. For the unit that they're spinning off. But that is happening. And we continue to see this transformation where Arvind is trying to keep core IBM focused on hybrid cloud, more nimble, more technologically led. Investors tend to like that when somebody who's technical is leading not just in the engineering, but also in the go-to-market when you're in a battle with technologically led companies like Amazon, like Google, et cetera.
Yeah, I think for the company split, I think took a lot of people, maybe even internally, by surprise. And then this announcement maybe adds to the anxiety around the direction. So perhaps explaining, hey, here's the vision and here's how this all fits into it.
I was not surprised by the company split.
Oh.
IBM's big, right?
Are they going to stay in the Dow?
That I don't know. That's not my area. That's not my area. I'm more of a tech guy. But when you've got areas that are faster growing, right, and we see this all the time, areas that are faster growing, but perhaps lower revenue, higher margin, you want to highlight those. You start thinking, well, are there older businesses that are perhaps slower growth with different models that we can put to the side so investors can see more of what we want to highlight?
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.